Good day, Mom. Good day, everyone. We are Group 8, presenting the category Flora 2. Leader, Natalia Dolera Aguilar. Members, Nikki Jean Abrenica Prito, Annie Villanueva Martinez, Aljo Turaja Salvador. Mathematics in the modern world. Identify the patterns in nature and appreciate the importance of mathematics in one's life. The importance of pattern in nature. By studying patterns in nature, we gain an appreciation and understanding of the world in which we live and how everything is connected. And by engaging nature, we are acquire a deeper connection with our spiritual self. We are surrounded by a kaleidoscope of visual pattern, both living and non-living. Appreciate the importance of mathematics in one's life. Mathematics helps us understand the world and provides an effective way of building mental discipline. Math encourages logical reasoning, critical thinking, creative thinking, abstract or spatial thinking, problem-solving ability, and even effective communication skills. Category Flora 2. Object: Sunflower. Sunflower are beautiful and iconic for the way their giant yellow heads stand off against a bold blue sky. And of course, most of us love to munch on the seeds they produce. Sunflowers are more than just beautiful food. They are also mathematical marvel. The pattern of seed with a sunflower follows the Fibonacci sequence, or 1, 2, 3, 5, 8, 13, and so on. If you remember back to math class, each number in the sequence is the sum of the two previous numbers. In sunflowers, the spirals you see in the center are generated from this sequence. There are two series of curves winding in opposite direction, starting at the center and stretching out to the petals, with each seed sitting at the center angle from the neighboring seeds to create the spiral. This is the photo of spiral pattern of sunflower. That's all my part, and thank you. Next is Nikki Jean Abrenica Prito.
Next object is caladium plants. Although they are grown as foliage plants, caladiums may be bloom, producing a single, rarely 2 to 3 typical arum type flower with a green or pinkish spathe surrounding a short, wide spadix. The pattern of caladium plants. Plant that has two types of leaves. The fancy leaf will have large heart shape and glans leaf has shorter. Caladium plants is divided into two mirror image or that is identical, therefore caladium is a symmetrical pattern, wherein every leaf on the tree or plant follows the same pattern and that has the same symmetry.
A pleasant day to each and every one of us. I am Annie Martinez and I am going to talk about the object Romanesco broccoli. But first, let us tackle the importance of mathematics in the modern world. So mathematics is one factor that helps us in coping up in the daily lives of that we have in this modern world. So here are few of the importance of mathematics in our life. Math is good for the brain. Math helps you with your finances. Math makes you a better cook. And math improves problem solving skills. And also, every career uses math. So, math is good for the brain. According to a study done by Dr. Tanya Evans at Stanford University, proved that the students who solve math problems in their daily life have higher logical skills than those students who don't solve the problems. So next is math helps you with your finances. Math is also helpful with your finance. With the help of math, you can easily make your financial budget. You can calculate how much money you have and you can spend your money. Almost every single human in the world uses math for their finances. Math makes you a better cook. Math is quite useful for the cook because in almost every single recipe, there is a need to put the accurate ingredients, such as 1 teaspoon turmeric, a tablespoon of garlic powder, as well as the half cup of flour is the same thing as 8 tablespoons of flour. Next, math mathematics makes and helps you improve or be better in your problem solving skills. Problem solving is one of the most important factor in our life. Math is one of the most effective ways to increase your analytical thinking. And next is every career uses math. There is no profession in the world that doesn't use math. You will need to calculate, you will need to be analytical, you will need in every factor of your life mathematics. So it is a vital point that we should possess or we should have in our daily lives. So in mathematics, a pattern in nature is one of it. Patterns in nature are visible regularities of form found in the natural world. These patterns recur in different contexts and can sometimes be modeled mathematically. Natural patterns include symmetries, trees, spirals, meanders, waves, foams, tessellations, cracks, and stripes. So now we have talked about a few things of the mathematics in the modern world. Now let us talk about the object Romanesco broccoli. So a Romanesco broccoli can be found in the produce section of the humble grocery store. Romanesco broccoli has an unusual appearance and many assume it's another food that's fallen victim to genetic modification. However, it's actually one of many instances of fractal symmetry in nature. In geometric terms, fractals are complex patterns where each individual component has the same pattern as the whole object. In the case of Romanesco broccoli, each floret is a miniaturized version of the whole head's logarithmic spiral. This means the entire veggie is one big spiral composed of smaller cone-like mini spirals. Although it's related to broccoli, Romanescos taste and feel more like cauliflower. It's, of course, rich in vitamins, which is probably why kids hate eating it. Or it could be they subconsciously realize Romanescos involve mathematics and therefore share an association with school, which is a student or few of the girls and boys in their younger years doesn't like. So that would be all. Thank you.
Good day, everyone. I am Algio Salvador, the next reporter of this group. Importance of patterns in nature. It is an interesting thing to study the patterns in nature. It gives us an understanding and a reason why they exist, and also they are beautiful to watch. Importance of mathematics in one's life. Mathematics makes our life orderly and prevent chaos. Certain qualities that are nurtured by mathematics are power of reasoning, creativity, abstract or spatial thinking, critical thinking, problem solving, and effective communication skills. Next object is Daisy. It is a small grassland plant that has flowers with a yellow disc and white rays. It has given rise to many ornamental garden varieties. Patterns of daisies. Ordinary field daisies have 34 petals. In fact, when we consider playing She Loves Me or She Loves Me Not, we commonly use daisies of 34 petals. Other types of daisies have 21 petals. 34 and 21 are in the Fibonacci sequence. Just like sunflower, the spiral pattern revolving to the right has 21 spirals constitute the entire set. Also, the spiral pattern revolving to the left have 34 constitute the entire set. Therefore, 21 and 34 are in the Fibonacci sequence. Thank you and God bless.